Hello viewers, welcome to Let Us Learn YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss experiment number 1 in electrical engineering laboratory. The experiment name is wiring of a simple lamp connection, series and parallel lamp connection. So according to the experiment, the aim is to conduct an experiment for controlling a simple lamp connection, series lamp connection and parallel lamp connection, and form the respective truth table for the three experiments. That is a simple lamp connections, series lamp connection and parallel lamp connection. So the equipment required for this experiment is incandescent lamp, 40 watts. If you are having 60 watt also, it is convenient. And then switch, it is a one-way switch for 230 volt, 6 ampere, and connecting wires as per the requirement. So before entering into the experiment, we will discuss about the basic concept of series and parallel circuit. First, we have to discuss what is circuit. So circuit is a word which derived from the word circle. The circle will be enclosed. Likewise, the circuit is a combination of different components in a closed manner. So it is called as a circuit. What is series circuit? So series circuit means it is a back-to-back connection of any component. In a series circuit, the current will remain same or constant and the voltage will be different. And parallel connection or parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, the voltage will remain same or constant and then current will be different. So these are the basic concept of series and parallel circuit. Since we are going to discuss about the simple circuit of lamp connection, series lamp connection and parallel lamp connection, so we discuss this basic concept of series and parallel circuit. So now we are going to discuss about the simple lamp connection. This diagram, it shows the simple lamp connection. Here we are having the phase. Phase is connected to the switch, and following the switch it is connected to the lamp. Other end of the lamp is connected to the neutral. Here the neutral wire is used to complete the circuit. If neutral wire is absent in any circuit, then the circuit it becomes open. It is incomplete. So to complete the circuit, we need the neutral wire. So this is the simple circuit. If I am giving supply to the phase, and this it shows the fuse. This is the symbol of the fuse. Fuse rating is 10 amps. The fuse is a device which limits the current. It allows only the rated current. See here, according to this circuit, here it is given as a fuse 10 ampere. So the rated of the fuse is 10 ampere. It will allow the current of 10 ampere or less than 10 ampere. If more than 10 ampere of current is flowed towards the fuse, and then fuse will melt and it won't give supply to the upcoming circuits. So this is the circuit diagram. With this circuit diagram, now we are going to discuss about the truth table. So in this truth table, when the switch is in on position, when supply is given to the circuit, when the switch is in on position, so the lamp will be in on position. The lamp will start to glow. When the switch is in off position, whenever the switch is in off position, it won't give supply to the lamp. Then the supply or the current which is given to the lamp get interrupted, and then lamp, if the switch is off, the lamp is also get off. So this is about the truth table for the simple lamp connection. When the switch is in on position, the lamp will be in on. When the switch is in off position, the lamp will be in the off position. So now we are going to discuss about the series lamp connection. So here we are using two lamp named as L1 and L2. Both are connected back to back connection. Since it is a series lamp connection, from the phase we are giving the supply to the fuse. Fuse is the current limiting device which allows only the rated current. Here the rated current is 10 amps, so it will allow maximum of 10 amps current, and then it will give supply to the switch. Whenever the switch is on position, it gives supply to the two lamp which is connected in series. So this technique or this fashion is called as a series connection. So here the neutral link is to complete the circuit. So through the neutral, the current will flow to the lamp. At the other end of the lamp, it is connected to the neutral. Then the circuit get complete. So here we are giving 230 volt 50 hertz single phase AC supply we are giving to this circuit. So for this circuit, now we are going to discuss the truth table. So in this truth table, when the switch is in on position, whenever the switch is in on position, it gives current to the lamp 1 and lamp 2. So whenever on position, both the lamp 1 and lamp 2, it will be in glow. See here, L1 is in glow and L2 is in glow. Whenever the supply is off, the switch is off position. At the time, L1 is in off position and L2 is also in off position. So this is the truth table for the series lamp connection. Following that, now we are going to discuss the lamp status during the damage of any one lamp in a series wiring. So whenever the switch is in on position, so now L1 status during the absence of L2. So if L2 is damaged, what is the status of L1? So if L1 is damaged, so the circuit will become open. So L1 also it will be in the off condition. So L1 also it will be in the off condition. So when L2 status during the absence of L1. So L1 is absent. Now the L1 is absent. What is the status of L2? L2 also in the off position. Whenever even the switch is in on position, both the lamps are off condition. So now if the supply is off, that switch is in off position, both the lamp will be in the off position. So L1 is in off position and L2 also in the off position. This is the status of during any one lamp get damaged in a series wiring. So following that, we are going to discuss about the parallel lamp connection. Parallel lamp means the two lamp, that is L1 and L2, both are connected. The starting terminal is connected to the starting terminal and ending terminal is connected to the ending terminal. This fashion is called as a parallel lamp. Since already we discussed in a parallel circuit, the voltage will remain constant and then current will be different. So here, whenever if any lamp is get damaged, if the lamp 1 is get damaged, the lamp 2 will be in the on position. This parallel connection we are doing in the domestic wiring. For any domestic purpose wiring, for household wiring, we are doing parallel connection. So if any one lamp, any one appliance got damaged, we can, without any disturbance, we can use other appliance also. Simply replacing that appliance, we can use the other appliance also. So here also we are using the phase. Through the phase we are giving the supply to the fuse, and then fuse is a current limiting device which limits the rated current. It gives to the switch, and then current will flow to this terminal as well as this terminal, and then here internally through the filament the current will flow towards this terminal and it will go to the neutral. The neutral will complete the circuit. Here also we are giving the 230 volt 50 Hz single phase AC supply. So for this parallel lamp connection, we are going to discuss the truth table. So whenever the switch is in on position, both the lamp will be in the on position. So L1 is in on and similarly L2 will be in on. Whenever the switch is in off condition, L1 is in off condition and L2 also will be in the off condition. So similarly, now we are going to discuss the lamp status during damage of any one lamp in parallel wiring. So here, when the switch is in the on position, whenever the switch is in on position, L1 status during the absence of L2. If consider this, L2 is absent. What about the L1 status? At the time it will be in the on position, because since it is connected in parallel. So if anyone is disconnected, any one lamp is damaged, but the supply will be given to the other lamp. So whenever the absence of L2, L1 will be in the on position. Similarly, L2 status during the absence of L1. So if L2 is absent, sorry, L1 is absent, L2 will be in the on position. So here, whenever the L1 status during the absence of L2 is absent, L1 will be in the on. If lamp 1 is absent, lamp 2 will be in the on position. That's what here it's shown in the diagram. There is a table, it shows that on and off position. So now it is in off position. When the switch is in off position, obviously both the lamp will be in the off position. This is about the parallel lamp connection. So in the upcoming videos, I will give the Viva questions related to this experiment. I hope this video will be more effective and more useful for you. Thank you. Subscribe, support and share to your friends. Let us learn.